Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create labels from a list in Google Sheets. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your internet connection is turned on. Then head over to the right corner that says Google Apps and click on it and scroll down to select Sheets. Now once this is open, select the sheets you'd like to use for the labels. And before you start creating any labels, make sure that your sheet is organized. For instance, each column should have a name, something to use to categorize them. You can see here, I named these dates, items, region, just so that you can get an idea of what is in each column. Now, once your sheet is perfectly organized, the next thing you're going to want to do is download an extension to help you create the labels. So to do that, click on these extensions here, select add-ons, then select get add-ons. And in the search bar here, simply type in Label Maker and hit enter. And just select the first extension you see. I'm going to click on that. Then select install. And once you hit install, it's going to open a new tab, Chrome tab, prompting you to sign in. So I'm just going to sign in with my account. Then you have to click continue here. And you're going to see all this access that you need to allow Label Maker in order for it to work. So just click on allow, make sure you hit this, otherwise the extension won't function. And that's it, our label maker has been successfully installed. Now click on extensions and you'll see our newly added extension over here. Select create labels. And if it doesn't work at first, you need to reload the page. Now something you'll notice here is that you actually have a free trial. It's 7 days. After the 7 days, you need to pay to use it. Now we're just going to select a template for our label. So click on label template here, and I'm going to browse by most popular templates. I'll just select this first one. There are many you can pick from, but I'd like to stick with this. Then select use. The next thing we're going to do is fill our label content here. This is basically how your label will look once we're done. And to fill that, head to this that says add merge fields, and you'll see these different categories, what you named each column. So I'm just going to select what I'd like to appear. I'd like my dates. I'd also like my sales rep, and I'd like to see my total sales as well. So once you've selected what you'd like to appear on your label, you can change the text, you can make it bold, also change the text alignment to align it in the center, on the right, or on the left. I would like mine to be in the center, so I'm just going to do that. Then select create labels. And here you see you can only print a maximum of 50 labels using the free plan. So I'm just going to print what I can. Once you do that, you see this Google Doc. Click on it to open a new tab with your labels. And if you'd like to print your labels, click on this printer icon here. And you want to change a few of these settings. So click on more settings. And your paper size, depending on what paper type you're using, scroll through these and select the appropriate one. And now make sure margins is set to none. This is simply the gap you get. You don't want so much gap at the edges of your paper. And make sure that the scale is set to default. Once you've gotten all these settings right, you can simply select print. If you experience data overflow when you print the labels, you'll need to reduce the font size or shorten the text for them to fit properly on whatever sheet of paper you're using. Or if you'd like to download the file, simply head over to File here and select Download. Make sure you select a PDF document for this. And once you've created your labels, I recommend that you save them as a template for future use. So that's it on our video on how to create labels from a list in Google Sheets. I hope it helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.